everyone, and a very happy new year to one and all. It's wonderful to see you kick-starting the year with another engaging session of DTalk series. Today, we have a topic that's crucial for efficient disaster management, disaster LAN, local area network for emergency response. Our speaker, Arun will take us through how a disaster LAN can provide communication support in the event of an emergency, ensuring that first responders and agencies can coordinate effectively even in disrupted conditions. Arun will explain its functionalities, applications, and the critical role it plays in disaster management. So let's dive right in. Please join me in welcoming Arun to the stage.
Good evening everybody. Today I am going to talk about DLAN. It is a web-based, mobile-friendly emergency system that provides tools for shared situational awareness, workflow-based information management, and real-time communication to help your team to prepare for, respond, and to report on issues. First, we can talk about the need for DLAN. First one, emergencies, whether natural disasters or human-made crisis poses unique challenges. Fragmented communication is the first one. Teams often work in silos, leading to limited information sharing. The second one is inefficient resource allocation. Delayed or misallocated information resources can often worsen the outcomes. Next one is real-time decision challenges. A lack of up-to-date information can lead to poor decisions. For that, we can take examples such as Katrina hurricane or the COVID-19 pandemic, where gaps in communication and coordination were LAN bridges these gaps, offering a streamlined digital solution. Next one is the core features of DLAN. The first one is incident tracking. Tracks incidents in real time. Example, during a wildfire, responders update fire perimeters and evacuation routes instantly. Second one is resource management. Monitors personnel, vehicles, and supplies. Example, ensures medical kits and supplies reach shelters on time. The next one is interactive mapping. This based visualization of disaster zones and affected areas. For example, it displays flood zones and road closures during a cyclone. The next one is communication tools. Secure messaging and task assignment for collaboration. For example, real-time alerts to all stakeholders. Final and important feature of the final and important features of DLAN is customizable dashboards. That is, tailored dashboards based on user roles. For example, logistics and operations. Next, we are going to talk about a case study which is based on hurricane, where DLAN is in action. During a recent let's consider a hurricane. During a recent hurricane, the first phase is pre-disaster phase. That is, issued early warning to prepare communities. Next one is during the disaster, provided real-time updates on evacuation zones, coordinated insert and rescue using live maps. The third one is post-disaster phase. That is, streamlined damage assessments to relief efforts. As it is by implementing DLAN in a hurricane scenario, the results are very good. That is, faster response times, reduced miscommunication, improved resource allocation. Next week we are going to talk about advantages of DLAN. That is, the first advantage is it is very user friendly, simple, intuitive interface for all users. The second one is accessibility, available on desktops, mobile, and tablets. The third feature is its integration. That is, it syncs with tools like NAOA weather data and FEMA guidelines. The next main feature is it's very cost effective. That is, it reduces inefficiencies, saving time and resources. Fifth advantage is it is very scalable, suitable for organizations of all sizes. Whether the organization is large or small, we can scale it easily. Next, we are going to talk about the future of DLAN. As disasters grow in complexity, DLAN is also evolving. As a part of that, the first one is AI integration, using predictive analytics to forecast disaster impacts. The second one is global collaboration, facilitating cross-border data sharing for global disaster resilience. The third one is improved automation, that is automation of repetitive tasks like resource tracking. The fourth one is cloud-based solutions, enhancing accessibility and data security. The vision of DLAN is a world where emergency response is faster, smarter, and more coordinated. So, summarizing that, DLAN is more than a tool; it's a lifeline for emergency managers, enabling them to make better decisions under pressure. By integrating technology with disaster management, platforms like DLAN help us to save lives, reduce damage, and also to build resilient communities. As we face a future with increasing disasters, adopting platforms like DLAN is no longer optional; it's very essential. Thank you for your attention, and I am happy to address any questions.
Thank you, Arun. It's inspiring to see such enthusiasm as we embark on this new year with a focus on disaster preparedness. Wishing everyone a prosperous and safe ahead. And we look forward to seeing you in the next session.